What is up, people? नहीं एक काम करो, मैं पर्यायवाची शब्द चल रहे थे. People, guys.
Anyways,
girls, feminist girls.
Welcome back to another vlog. So today it's only the three of us. The other two couldn't join us, unfortunately. Yeah. So today we're gonna do something interesting, at least for this guy, because apparently he has never had a Starbucks.
और what we want to say is बहुत गरीब बंदा है, कुछ पैसा भेजो बेचारा.
भाई गरीब था एक जमाने में, रातों रात करोड़पति बना.
मैं कोई गांव से आया हूँ क्या? नकली नोट छापने का धंधा है क्या?
So this is the first time he's having Starbucks. How are you feeling? Miss?
I'm feeling good.
Fine, we'll go inside and we'll have some Starbucks.
Let's have some.
Yeah. Okay, let's have some Starbucks.
Yeah. This is my first Starbucks coffee gonna be. I'm excited, but you know, like that garibi is still in me, you know.
एक फकीरी है आपके स्वभाव में. ये कहाँ से आई? क्या आप हमेशा से ऐसे ही थे या धीरे धीरे फकीरी आती चली गई?
So what are we waiting for?
Yeah, we'll move now.
What are you doing, man? We really need a coffee because you know it's 8 a.m. actually, but we haven't had a coffee yet.
छोटो एक कप चाय ला.
छुट्टा नहीं है.
अरे ये तेरी टेप पे टेप ले.
1000 रुपया?
टेप पे.
Oh my God! What is happening? Oh my God! We are about to witness greatness.
अरे आज अब उन को दिखाता लाइव क्या होता है.
Safety precautions first. The vlog actually,
संडे को मस्त नहा धो के आ.
Oh, interesting. Okay. So
Got the drinks.
in an interesting turn of events, we entered Starbucks and Mr. Latte told us that we cannot vlog inside Starbucks. Apparently their policy has changed after somebody vlogged and did some shit.
Yeah.
So now we cannot film inside Starbucks, a vlog or anything else without prior permission. And like we didn't have prior permission. We ordered some frappuccinos and stuff.
Yep.
We got an extra coffee though. There's an offer going on. Buy 3 get 1 free.
आप हमसे हमारी जिंदगी मांग लेते, हम आपको खुशी खुशी दे देते, पर आपने तो हमसे हमारा गुरूर छीन लिया.
Okay.
Apparently they got my name right, so
They got our names also right.
You know how we play.
It's not focusing, but okay. It's Abudi. It's your boy Abudi.
Wait for it. Drum roll.
And it's shit.
Okay.
It's Zoja. Okay.
It's Zoja.
Now you can see Zoja.
Hey!
I got a Java chip frappuccino.
I got a caramel. I got a Java chip frappuccino.
Because what Abudi gets, Zoja gets. Actually, what Zoja gets, Abudi gets. Miss, yes. This
You want to
is your
give the honors?
This is your moment.
I would like to take this moment and would like to thank my parents for this opportunity.
क्या करना है फिर इसका?
बाप का पैसा.
We're doing ASMR now. Don't look at me like that.
Roman, bro.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's
It's
gonna be
okay
alright.
to get emotional, but
Yeah, but
I'm getting emotional for the fact that we paid 300 for Cheta's coffee. All jokes apart, it's actually nice.
Cafe Coffee Day, suck it. Why take a girl to Starbucks?
Because corporate pop culture. You have to show our get, right? So you impress a girl with coffee.
The girl impresses you if she doesn't want it from Starbucks and wants it from Cheta Kanai.
Wow, it's actually good. Oh, place it there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
A few moments later.
Fast forward from the reaction that Misam had to the coffee. Wasn't much. We just kept a frappuccino on the top of the car, the front dash, and
We also had the camera on the front, on top of the dash.
and
We remember the camera.
we remembered the camera, so we took it off. And then Misam started driving. And then something unusual happened. I don't understand how this can happen. You keep a frappuccino on the top of the dash of the car, and then you drive the car. How can the Frappuccino just fall? How?
This is beyond science.
And then now we just cleaned up everything. There are still stains on the glass, window pane.
You need
now,
some water?
We're gonna go to the supermarket, get some water and fix this situation. It's a great day. It's a good day. You know, it's turning out to be a great day. Got a towel and some water. To clean a car. So desperate times need desperate measures. By the way, kids, don't try this at home. गाड़ी क्लीन कर रहा है बंदा.
अभी तो जा रहा है अपना.
चलो चलो काम पे लगो. साफ करो गाड़ी साफ करो.
कितना फीस?
गुड जॉब बॉयज, गुड जॉब. हाँ सही से. वो देखो स्टेन है. हाँ देख के साथ.
Threes and nines always. Okay. 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock you have to hold always. And you should not hold. This easy? This is, but that's not the practical way. When you're turning and all, that's
Maybe
not
when you're
practical way.
cruising.
Yeah, maybe when you're cruising.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're back home, and after a long day of driving, spilling Starbucks into the car, now we're going for football. We've booked a turf in Egmore.
इतना गलत कैसे हो सकता है भाई?
And it's about 4:30ish now, and we are going to be playing at 5. We'll be putting the location of that turf in the link below. Now, Emma, run and go get dressed up for football. Alright guys, we're on our way to Plus Sports right now. We got a little delayed, and because of that delay, God decided that he had to pour in some rain, and it's raining really badly right now. But we are still planning to play in the rain. It'll be fun, football in the rain.
Okay.
So we've just reached.
And this.
We are soaking wet because we got late,
Plus
and
it's raining in
it
Chennai.
started raining crazy. But we are planning to still play.
You can't skip the game, man.
We can't skip the game. So as you can see, I can't see shit. So we'll put on some boots and we'll go play. Skills देखो, skills कुछ सीखो.
Yo, so we just finished playing football. We're heading back now. It started raining really heavily, so we stopped. So it was area versus area. It was like Roypeta, which is our area, versus Ananagar. We lost. Okay. We got our friend Akil over here.
What's up, guys?
Ananagar. As you can see from Abbas's jersey.
Yes, I am ready.
So these are the boys we played with. Ananagar.
Say hi, guys. Say hi to
Shout
the
out. Okay.
to the 2-3 people that
Yeah.
watch our vlogs. Say hi.
Okay. So yeah, Abbas there. We got Zaid. We got Prince. Please explain what this. This is a tribute to Maradona. Rest in peace.
I found my slippers, by the way. Oh yeah, he found his slippers. Okay, we just got out of that place. I think we're gonna go get some coffee right now. Alright guys, we're here for some coffee and everyone here thinks I'm from the COVID wing.
I mean, just
Everybody is looking at me right now. So Misa, मालूम, there was this patient in that COVID wing. Today?
How many COVID patients are you handling now?
Right now 15 bro, 15.
Oh, I see.
We're here from some coffee. Alright guys, after grabbing some coffee in this absolutely beautiful weather, we're done with the vlog. Like, share and subscribe if you like the vlog, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Stay tuned to AKG.